How to cartoonize an image using Canva. If you are using Canva and you want to put a little twist on your photos, it's as simple as clicking a single button to cartoonify your photos here on Canva. Now you simply want to go ahead and upload your own photos if you want to, but in my case, I'll just go ahead and select a random stock footage or picture from the Canvas library. In our case, let's go ahead and use this person right here, and just a before and after comparison. Let's go ahead and double our image right here. Right after that, you can now go ahead and proceed by clicking on the apps category here on Canva. You can go ahead and see the applications by clicking on this button right here. Inside, you simply want to go ahead and search for cartoon, and you want to select this option right here, which is Cartoonify. Go ahead and select this option, and from here it will then go ahead and install the application through our Canva account. Now you want to select the photo or image that you want to cartoonify. In our case, let's go ahead and click on this element, click on the Cartoonify and Replace, and right after loading, it will now go ahead and cartoonify our photo here on Canva. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.